Tunataka ile ubaguzi wa mikoa ambayo ilikuweko wakati wa ukoloni, ikaja na ile sessional paper number 10 wakati serikali tulipata uhuru, na ikawa imeendelea mpaka leo iwe ni kikomo. Manake mimi pale nimetoka, ambaye ni constituency headquarters ama eneo bunge ya Dadaab, na ni Dadaab, hakuna lami, na hivyo ndio ilivyo karibu kila mahali. National Grid sisi kama kwetu ni kama ile kitu watoto wanasoma kwenye magazeti, hatujaona. Imefika mpaka Garissa, na saizi tunataka itoke Garissa ifike kila mahali, iende mpaka Wajir, mpaka Mandera, itoke Garissa iende Dadaab kwangu mimi, iende mpaka Liboye kwenye mpaka yetu na Somalia. Kwa hivyo sisi tunavyoomba kwa kila upande,
we want the development needs of our people to be no longer an electioneering campaign platform. And that's why the roads, the key sectors, we have already mentioned. So what we endeavor to do is to contextualize all these into a master plan that later on will lobby with the president and translate into a sessional paper. And that is what is going to open up Northern Kenya.
Context of the economy, which is struggling. The economy. The Kenya economy shall only hit the double digit as envisaged if there shall be two equalizers, which there is no option for. Northern Kenya has two issues: the land mass so required for economic growth and the natural resources to realize the double digit economy. If the government will not invest in that, we will never have a double digit economic growth. So there is no need to blind itself. It is incumbent on any government to make sure that that land mass, which is an endowment, and the natural resources from wind, solar, and other resources underground to be exploited for the growth of our economy. So it is a government blinding itself from the realities. It's not an option.